Hi, I'm Brittany, and welcome to Laurel Landing Ranch Homes, the only new ranch homes offering lake views in North Strabane with high-end finishes and low-maintenance living. Inside your gourmet kitchen, you'll love included details like oversized islands, quartz or granite countertops, built-in stainless steel appliances, hardwood flooring, plentiful cabinet storage, and more. The kitchen, great room, and living room are all combined to give you maximum space. Relax on your optional covered porch, the perfect spot for your morning coffee. The homes at Laurel Landing offer the ease of one-level living, with the owner's suite and laundry room on the main level, combined with the privacy of a single-family home. For even more space, choose a finished lower level. Think hosting the big Steelers game, hanging out with the family, or even personalizing to a home office. Let your imagination run wild. You'll love your new luxury ranch home, and the location, North Strabane Township, boasts low Washington County taxes, and the community has a select number of home sites with views of Cannonsburg Lake. Donaldson's Crossroads, South Hills Village, and all the Cannonsburg and South Point shopping and entertainment are all minutes from Laurel Landing, making it convenient to get wherever you need to go. The community is also convenient to I-79 and routes 19 and 519. There's so much I want to share about this great community in North Strabane, and I can't wait to welcome you home to Laurel Landing. Schedule your visit today.